Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Usembun Menteri Rambak Kejelau bak Sniawbhalang dahar mentah kesengi palai kekat waiteri ujembang arajar arpulai. Ulaong baki election apok ke Sohïong constituency kamdon Ktah satya ya ke Jingïadei Paralok hapedeng ke NPP bat ke UDP apok ke sorkar MDA 2. Namar ke election ke Yajbek bat ulaong bak ke sorkar MDA kadang yai klan bet kumjo. Haba keli lah hatu ke seng UDP kan Sniawbhalang no na ke sorkar Sniawbhalang hadin ke election apok Sohïong ubat Sniawbhalang ulaong bak Ktah kamdei ke basisha bat ke seng UDP kan yai don bet hapok ke sorkar MDA 2 bat ke Jingïadei Paralok bat ke UDP kalong ke baklan bat kan yai ne Ktah banyak trelang. Shisho haba keli lah hatu ke sorkar kan Asyuki lang ki MLA ke PDF ki balawan ban penyesok syaka seng NPP ubah Sniawbhalang ulaong bayamenta 4 rai halor Ktah henry ke seng NPP ke ngongu bagi tei ki MLA ke PDF ki balawan ban penyesok bat ke NPP da ka baong baga jingkang jong ke NPP ka yai playback ya kino ki bakwa ban wan penyesok bat ke seng.
Okay, there are. What is the? What do you say about the election in Sohïong? What is your assessment?
Why you are so hurry? We'll listen day after tomorrow.
No, what is your initial?
If you ask me if we are winning,
How?
but the actual winning is day after tomorrow only. So let me ask from you, how you feel? What report do you get from the?
That is fluctuation. Everyone claiming.
Right. UDP claim you win and NPP are claiming you are winning. That is election.
Okay, will it affect the coalition?
No, yeah, no problem. Election is election. Why you are worried? Campaign is campaign.
But there are things which.
MD is strong.
Yeah.
Okay.
Whether UDP will be out of.
No, that is the question. Simple. MD is strong.
So UDP will continue to be in the government. Whether the.
Yeah, they are with us now, so. Who told you?
There are.
Any doubt from you?
Relation is not
No relation is not affected.
to continue.
Election speech, no?
Same coalition will continue.
Yes, obviously.
Okay, this PDF joined the group. So any offer for them to cabinet berth or anything?
Not the offer, we are happy, we feel grateful for them. Simple. We are grateful for the PDF. Just joining the party, joining government will become strong and party should come strong. We are grateful, we thanks a lot to the PDF party especially.
Do we see more joining the NDP?
I'm trying.
Any feelers from HSVDP?
No, whoever come, they are most welcome. Tell them.
UDP?
Whoever come, they will come. Why you ask me? You give one number.
So that we can become single largest.
What to say?
Absolutely.
Let's see. But our parties open the door to everybody, and we are happy with all the friends. The MD is strong. Okay?